Well, another episode of the Spotting Chronicles. I'm here at Dockweiler Beach. I think it's my second favorite place to spot. In-N-Out first, then Dockweiler. It's more of a tech check than it is a spotting trip because I'm trying to get my lapel mic straight. I've been having issues with the wind noise, and so I didn't realize I had a dead cat hanging around the house from another mic that I have. So let me see if that's the solution to my problem. And also I think I had an adapter connected to my iPhone that I didn't need. And I think that was causing some issues too. My audio just wasn't quite where I wanted it. Not only am I an AV geek, I'm an audio geek. No video is better than its audio. If the audio is crappy, no matter how good the video looks, everything's crap. So let's see what happens today. I'm also checking out my new Bluetooth shutter release for my iPhone. So I'm gonna see how that's working today too. I'm spotting on the 4th of July Eve, but it's not too bad over here on this end of town. Or the end of this end of Dockweiler. Everybody's on the other end when you first come in, so it shouldn't be too bad over here, because the only thing, if it's crowded, inevitably somebody's gonna come up to me. What are you doing? What kind of camera is that? What kind of lens is that? Ooh, that's a big lens. I don't want to hear all that today. Oh, and the other reason I'm out here today is particularly at this time. Oh, here comes something. Southwest. I'll get it anyway. Right now, I'm just really practicing. I'm waiting on the sun to get a little bit closer to the horizon and give me that nice golden light. So like I said on my previous Spotting Chronicles, that's the best time to spot, during the golden hour. As you can see, I don't have too much longer to wait. Well, you can't really tell, but I don't have too much longer to wait. At this time right here, right now, it's not really the best spot to be in until the sun gets closer to the horizon. Because, you know, once it gets over that bank a little ways, it's just so much glare I'm getting from the sun. But like I said, practice time. But when that golden hour comes, I'm gonna make some sweet music out here. The south side departures are pretty slow right now. I've only had, since I've gotten set up, maybe one has come through on the south side. Most of everything's been coming over here on the north side. Pretty sure it's gonna speed up in a minute though. Getting closer and closer, golden hour. The other nice thing about being out here at this time, I can get some nice silhouette shots of people walking along the beach. Maybe I'll post some at the end of this Spotting Chronicles. Looks really nice. Let's see, what is this? This looks like FedEx MD-11, taking off from the south side. Yep. Who's this, FedEx again? Yep, MD-11. Alaska Airlines. Swiss Air. No, yeah, Swiss. Just noticed while I was shooting that, my focus points weren't in the right place. Or at least where I usually like them. Usually when I'm shooting in this location, the sweet spot is about right here, about right up in here for the shot. Right now with this golden hour, with the sun going down, the sweet spot is about right here. Waiting for some more cyclists to come over here, right here in this area. Looks really nice with them riding by and getting a nice silhouette. in the sweet spot right now. Sweet spot. American. Got a nice bank shot that time. Oh, that's UPS. Sweet spot. Sweet, sweet, sweet spot. Give me a nice bank. Ah, gave me a nice bank shot. Well, boys and girls, I think my work here is done. Isn't that lovely? Nice, nice.